How to fix Project Silverfish crashing on Steam. So first you want to right click on the game if you do have it already installed. Click on Properties and go to Installed Files, and then click on Verify Integrity of Game Files and wait for it to finish this process. Now once it's done, you want to click on Browse, right click on Games exe, go to Properties and then Compatibility. Then make sure to check both of these options right here. Click on Apply and OK. Now you can close this and go to General tab, and then under Launch Options you want to type -dx11 like this. Now you can close this window and try to launch the game again to see if that solves the issue for you. Now if it still doesn't, here is what you can do. You want to open up your NVIDIA software if you have an NVIDIA GPU, otherwise download your relative software to install updates. Go to drivers section and check for updates and make sure to download and install the latest available updates for game ready, in this case for NVIDIA. Then you want to open up your browser and search for Redist like this. Click on the first link and then scroll down to this table. Download and install both of these redistributables right here for 86 and 64. Now once you're done, you might need to restart your system. And after restarting, you'll just open up Steam and try to play the game again, and that should fix the crashing issues. And that's about it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.